Firstly, gently pull out the air vent trim next to the fog light. You don't need any tools for this task. Next, unscrew the two exposed screws that hold the fog light casing. Then, lift up the screw tabs side to unhook the holding tabs on the other end. Press the two tabs on the light bulb connector to disconnect the cable. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Then, insert the LED bulb into the casing and turn the bulb clockwise to lock the bulb. Next, check to LED bulb orientation to ensure the faces are facing the left and right of the reflector for a wide casting light beam. LED bulb has polarity unlike the halogen bulb. Just connect the power source connector to the LED bulb first. Now, we need to test to ensure the voltage polarity is correct. Start the engine. Next, turn on the headlight manually before turning on the fog light. Fog light doesn't light up and this shows that the voltage polarity is wrong. Now, disconnect the connector and turn the connector 180 degrees to change the voltage polarity. Then reconnect the connector. Retest the light to ensure everything is in order. Now, the LED bulb light up as expected. Before securing the fog light casing, remember to check your instrument cluster to ensure that your LED bulb does not throw any light bulb out error, which is the typical issue due to non-CANBUS LED bulb. Once the light is turned off, secure the two screws that hold the fog light casing. Finally, fix up the air vent cover by aligning its locking tabs and gently push into the bumper. Now, check out the ultra-free error-free LED light beam at night. Wish your fog light is as bright?